Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the Humble Beginnings homestead. It is fall here in Kentucky. Just woke up this morning and got our first frost. First frost tells me that it's time to start digging sweet potatoes. It's about the only thing that we've got left in the garden. A few carrots left to dig, but I've got 2 rows of sweet potatoes that we had planted that we are going to check on today. Looks like we've got a few. Let's go get the tractor, we'll hop on it and see if we can't turn that ground up and find our extra potatoes. What's up, kitty cat? Let's take a look and see what we've got so far. Say hey, YouTube. We didn't get a whole lot of rain this summer, so I didn't expect the potatoes to be too big. We've got a lot of little ones. There's some bakers, but not a whole lot. First year growing sweet potatoes, and I have got some white sweet potatoes in here, and I've never seen white sweet potatoes, so if one of you guys can help me out, give me an answer to why a sweet potato would be white, just leave that in the comment section below. But that's it. Gardening season is over. This is the close of our garden, and see what happens next year. Happy harvesting. Guys, thanks for watching. This is the Humble Beginnings Homestead. This is our very first video. We are new to YouTube. Help us out, hit the like button. Go ahead and share the video if you found this informative. We plan on taking lots more videos like this, just kind of showing you our life and what we do here on our little homestead.